Hey guys, in this video, I just got this this orange model Wen. I think it's the higher amp model of Wen rotary tool, and I'm going to show you how it fits onto the Dremel flex shaft. So yes, they do fit.
So close but far away, like the words you said on the lake today. Never know where life will tomorrow.
Okay guys, I'll try and explain this the best way that I can. So when they send you the collet, okay, this is the collet. The Dremel collets are square. Not the collet, but the thing to use your flex shaft. This has a square drive in it that screws on here, okay? This one here, the silver one looking one, is square and from Dremel. But it won't fit on this, okay? So that won't screw on there. So what you have to do is you have to use the collet that they give you, that Wen gives you. You have to use this collet, okay? You have to screw this one that comes with the Wen kit so that your collet's in, okay? You screw that on, leave it loose. Then this is your Dremel flex shaft. You pull the inner flex shaft out a bit. You slide it in that hole. It's a little, okay, hold on. Okay, so it's in there, see? It's in. Now we screw this, okay, now we tighten this up first. Okay, the screw. We tighten it up really tight because you don't want that that inner flex shaft spinning inside there, right? Because it's not square, it's round. So then we get this, we put it on, we screw it on. Okay. So now let me plug it in quickly. Damn it. Okay, and we'll see if it works. Sorry guys, I wasn't really set up for this. So let's use the back of the sign. And you guys, when you turn when you hook up your machines, let your flex shaft run for a few seconds to let it get broken in if it's a brand new flex shaft. Okay, so let's turn this on. Slow speed first. Yeah, look, it's not spinning. There you go, okay? That's not working. So I'll try and figure something else out, okay? So that did not work. Okay, I figured out why it wasn't working, because I had the inner flex shaft of the Dremel flex shaft pushed too far in, okay? I had it pushed too far in going that way. So you got to pull it out so it can, well, just pull it out. Not so far in, right? Okay, so that's way less not so far in. Tighten it up again. Okay. Tighten this up again. Now let's see if that spins. I haven't tried it yet. Now it's spinning just a little bit, but I can stop it. Watch. It's a pain in the ass. I don't know what's going on here really. So, fuck it. I'm just going to put my the one that came with it. I'll carve with that. No time for this crap. Okay, I figured it out. Okay, so this, when you put this inner shaft into your collet here, you can't put it in. You can only put it in like that deep, so it just hits the collet. Okay, so okay, so you can see here. Okay, so it's out. Now you see it push it in just a little bit, so you know that the collet's where my fingertip is. That's about where the collet is. Okay, and then we'll tighten that up. Tighten it up good, guys. Don't break it, but okay, and so we'll put it back on. Okay, we'll put this piece of wood here. I got a cut sole burn here. Now, let's try that. there you go. Yes, the friggin' Wen will work with the Dremel flex shaft. Okay. So I'm going to be using this in some of my upcoming videos. There you go. There's the cuts. Yes, it will work.